Welcome students. Today we will be learning about longitudes and its relation with standard time from chapter number 2 of geography, that is globe, latitudes and longitudes. Just as the latitudes divide the earth into heat zones, longitudes divide the earth into time zones. Now what is a longitude? Longitude is the angular distance of a place east or west of prime meridian. Now what is prime meridian? Prime meridian is again a longitude that passes through Greenwich near London. All other lines running from the North Pole to the South Pole are called meridians of longitude. These longitudes are semicircular lines, and two opposite longitudes together will form a complete circle. There are 360 meridians of longitude in total, that is 180 degree east and 180 degree west. All meridians are of equal length, and the distance between these meridians are not equal. The distance between the longitudes are larger at the equator, and it decreases as we move towards the poles. The value of prime meridian is 0 degree longitude. The prime meridian and 180 degree meridian divides the earth into two equal halves, that is the eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere, which are followed by letter E for the east and letter W for the west. The network of latitudes and longitudes together form the grid. 180 degree east and 180 degree west meridians are on the same line, which is also called as international date line. There is a relationship between longitude and time. As the earth rotates, every place has its sunrise, noon and sunset. The earth completes one rotation in approximately 24 hours. That means the earth rotates 360 degrees in 24 hours, or we can say that the earth travels an angular distance of 360 degrees in 24 hours. So, in 1 hour, how much it will travel? It is 360 divided by 24. The answer is 15. That means the earth rotates 15 degrees in 1 hour. Now, if I take India, the longitudinal extent of India is approximately 30 degree longitude. So suppose if I take easternmost end of India in Arunachal Pradesh, say there is a sunrise at 6 am. At the same time, on the other end, that is on the western end of India, the time would be 4 am. And the people will see sunrise after 2 hours because of the longitudinal extent of India, that is 30 degrees, and we have seen the earth travels 15 degrees in 1 hour. So for 30 degrees it is going to be 2 hours. So we can say that in terms of local time there would be a difference of 2 hours, and we in India don't go by local time. Now, if the entire country follows local time, it would be different at various places, and this would lead to confusion. So we have a Indian Standard Time, that is IST, and also a standard meridian, which is 82.5 degrees east passing through Mirzapur near Prayagraj. In this way, all countries have their standard time. Many countries that are big in size have more than one standard time. For example, in Russia, there are 11 standard times. Now, different countries have different standard times and this would cause confusion. So, in order to maintain international uniformity, one uniform time corresponding to the prime meridian is adopted by all countries and this is called as Greenwich Mean Time or GMT. Now from GMT, Indian Standard Time, that is IST, is at 82.5 degrees east. That means there will be a time difference of 5.5 hours because if we travel 15 degrees, time difference is 1 hour. 30 degrees, 2 hours. 60 degrees, 4 hours. 75 degrees, 5 hours. 82.5 degrees east, that is we are adding 7.5 degrees which is equal to 30 minutes. So the time difference will be 5.5 hours. So if it is 12 noon at prime meridian passing through Greenwich in England, in India, the time would be 5:30 p.m. With this, we have come to an end of this chapter and I hope that you have understood about the importance of latitudes and longitudes. Thank you.